Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at our smart lighting range, specifically our switch sensors, either proximity or touch, for turning our lights on and off. What components could we use for installation? We would choose a 12-volt or 24-volt converter and a light fixture suitable for that voltage. Then we would have two types of sensors, a touch sensor, which comes in single or double versions, or a proximity sensor, which also comes in single or double versions. Remember that the double ones are switched, and that all of them allow you to increase or decrease the light intensity. A 24-volt converter and its cable to connect to the control port. We'll take the two connections from the sensor and the cable from the control port and connect them. There's no way to get it wrong, male to female and female to male. The cable that's left will be connected to the control port. It has 4 terminals, so there's no way to mess it up. Just use a new clip to connect it. And now, the chosen light fixture can be installed in any of its 6 outputs. Now we'll take the sensor and, by touching it, we'll turn off the light. By touching it, we'll turn the light on. If we hold it, we'll lower the brightness. If we hold it again, we'll increase the brightness. Remember, since it's double, it's switched. We turn it off with one and can turn it on with the other. Off, on. If we hold it, we'll raise or lower the brightness. Simply by waving your hand in front, it will turn on or off. If we keep our hand there, the brightness will increase. If we keep it there, the brightness will decrease. And by waving your hand in front of one of them, it will turn off. If we wave our hand in front of the other, it will turn on. If we hold it, the brightness will decrease. If we hold it, the brightness will increase. See you in upcoming videos with more news about the smart range.